Hey friends, it's Amy Dove, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great weekend. Oh my goodness, my weekend has been wonderful. Ricky and I took a relaxing retreat at the clubhouse this weekend. We just got home just long enough for us to unpack our car and to mix up my Go Girl mix. We are going to get some steps in today. It is beautiful in Jackson, Tennessee. As you're jumping on, let me know where you're watching from. Guys, I'm so excited to make sure you didn't miss this announcement yesterday. If you follow me, you know that I love this drink that I call my Go Girl Mix. It helps me with appetite control, energy, focus, better sleep, better mood, better skin. Guys, I moved from a size 12 to a 4'6", and I've been maintaining that over 6 years now. As a food addict, that is almost unheard of to have maintained for so long. Guys, I love the way I feel when I drink it, and I love to share it. If you're not drinking it yet and you want info, in the comments say me, and I'm going to get you details about what this amazing thing is that I drink and share every day. But guys, if you're already drinking them, I do not want you to miss out on today's special. It is a pre-sale that has been released for 24 hours only, and then it's gone until we bring it back for the official launch. It is called Pineapple Dream, and guys, it's delicious. It tastes just like a pineapple Dole Whip. And let me tell you, right now, just for today, today's the last day, we have a 24-hour pre-release so that you can grab it just like me for the very first time. I don't even have any. I've tasted it one time when I was in Texas, and it was delicious. I was so excited to see it, and I'm so excited to have heard yesterday that they have a pre-release. So guys, if you're already a customer, you can log in or call me, and I'll be glad to help you. You can get your VIP discounts. So you can get your 25% discount today on this brand new pre-sale flavor release, Pineapple Dream. It tastes just like a pineapple Dole Whip, and guys, so delicious. So if you're not drinking these yet, I want to make sure that you reach out to me. Say me in the comments. Guys, it's so easy. All you do is mix it in cold or ice cold water. I prefer ice cold. You shake it, and then you drink it within 30 minutes or so. And guys, every single person has benefits. Every person. So it is a lifestyle that will actually, it's a tool that will help you in your lifestyle. And it works from the inside out. It cleans up every cell in your body and puts you into the state of ketosis without any dieting. Guys, it is not a diet. It is a drink that helps you. And I have thousands of people that I've helped over the years, and I can't wait to help you next. So guys, if you're ready for the info, say me. And I'm going to get you information on what this is that I drink and share every day. And if you're already drinking it, don't miss out on this flavor. I'm so excited. Yesterday when I saw the announcement, I immediately jumped on and ordered me some. I will have some trial packs available, but I don't want you to miss out. So I'm actually considering getting some more, just so that I can have plenty of trials for anybody who wants to grab 3 just to taste. But guys, it is fantastic. So if you haven't ordered yet and you're already a customer, log in. If you are not drinking these yet, make sure you say me so I can get you info. Pineapple Whip, called Pineapple Dream. So delicious. I tried it one time. Can't wait to get my boxes. And I truly am considering logging in and grabbing some more so that I can have some trial packs possibly by the end of next week. So guys, if you love your ketones, in the comments, tell me your favorite benefit. For me, still after all this time, and it's so funny because as you drink them, the benefits increase and your favorite benefits change, because you might have started out for more energy, but then when you see your body shrinking, you're like, holy crap, like the fat loss is amazing. I love the fat loss. And then when you start sleeping like a baby, you're like, oh my gosh, I've never slept this good, or I haven't slept this good in a long time. I love to track my sleep on my ring. And I love to wake up every morning and see those crowns that says, girl, you got some good sleep. Look at all this deep sleep. Look at how long you slept without any movement in your body. So I love drinking ketones for so many reasons. So in the comments, tell me your favorite benefit. If you're not drinking them yet and you need help with fat loss, energy, and focus, say me so I can get you details. And then guys, if you're already drinking ketones, you love them, and you want a new flavor, you're not going to be disappointed. Log in now. There's only today. It's 24 hours. Today it is gone tonight at midnight. It's called Pineapple Dream. Tastes just like a pineapple Dole Whip. I'm so excited to get mine, and I'm excited for you to get yours. So if I can help you in any way, let me know. Say me if you're not drinking, so I can get you your drink information and you can get started as soon as possible. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off so I can focus on this backyard. Look how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful today. Like, I'm always sad when the pool season's over, but I am excited for the fall. I'm excited for s'mores. I'm excited for fire pits. I'm excited for the hot tub. I do love the fall, but I'm always sad when the pool season closes because it's just so beautiful. We don't cover our pool, so we get to enjoy it all year. So in the fall, I do get to walk around and enjoy it, sit out here and drink coffee on our back porch and by the pool. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna get off and focus on what I got to get done today, because yesterday was a full lazy day. We walked a couple of minutes down a trail. That's it. That's all the movement I got in yesterday. I think my total steps yesterday was 5,000 feet. 5,000 steps, and that's it, guys. That's it. I've been doing like 15,000 every single day. I got 5 yesterday. So today I got to ramp it up. I'm excited about the new week, and I'm excited to share this with you. So again, if you're not drinking them yet, say me. If you have an account, log in, have fun in the store. Pineapple Dream. Tastes just like pineapple Dole Whip. You will not be sorry. Can't wait to get mine, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.